it's Hawa. Today I'm filming a GRWM. When I went out in Chicago, we had a night out. We went night clubbing. We actually went to two clubs in one night. But I wanted to show you guys how I got ready for that, and here it is. So I first got started by doing my hair. This is a 5x5 closure wig. What I did was I didn't pack a lot of hair products, but I made sure to pack what I really needed. All I use is free spray, and then I just use a blow dryer on like medium setting, and then I use a hot comb. Once it's like I know it's on my head, I put a hot comb to it. Mind you, this hair just got washed maybe like 2 days before the trip, or maybe a day before the trip, literally. So it's like in its natural state. I use a hot comb. I'm trying to get it flat as possible. I'm also using the Ciaos bomb stick to really get that flat top, because I really need to be flat up there. I go back with a hot comb again. I'm using the NYX hot comb. I've been using it for years. It's really the holy grail. I feel like everybody got this, but it really works well. So now I'm using this like travel size mousse. It's not anything too like serious, but I'm just using it to like, but it is a good mousse to like get my baby hairs. I'm putting 3 baby hairs in the front of my hair. I'm doing touch-ups because I also did just wash it. Every time I wash my wig, I have to recut my lace. Not recut it, but like restyle the lace, get the baby hairs together. After that, I go back in with the hot comb. I'm putting my hair in sections, so I'm braiding the front part first, and I'm gonna get that out of the way. I'm using my Garnier Flat Iron Perfector heat protector, and I'm also using a Chi flat iron, and I'm doing the tracing method with a rat tail comb. Also, I would like to know, this is AliPearl hair. I would rate this as a medium quality hair. It's not perfect, like it doesn't stay bone straight the way I wish it would, but it's one of the best hairs I've owned. As far as like thickness, shedding, tangling, it doesn't tangle as much as other like long hairs I've had, so it was definitely a good investment. This hair is around like $300. Mind you, I got it a year and a couple of months ago because I bought this hair in May 2022. So it's been a year and it's still holding up pretty well. I'm still like changing the lace, like changing the way I do the lace in the front. So it's like the lace is still maintaining, and very minimal shedding when I'm washing it. So yeah, I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna continue like using my hot comb flat iron to get it bone straight. And once I think that it's like perfect, like everything looks pretty good, I'm gonna stop doing my hair and I'm gonna start my makeup. All right, y'all. So for my makeup, I kind of didn't like film it like the way I should have, but I did my brows off camera, and I went in to show you my like foundation routine. I used the orange corrector from AliPearl, and then I used my Maybelline foundation, a color 340. I think it's cappuccino. I'm using Maybelline concealer under my eyes, just in the beginning, just to get it bright in the beginning, and then I go in with the AliPearl concealer in the color Fawn, just to have like a kind of like a gradient effect when it comes to my highlighting routine and concealing routine. I put the Maybelline concealer on my forehead, my nose bridge, chin, a bit on, not a bit, but I put a bunch on my lip just to get, I'm trying to really beat my face and look good, look like I'm going night clubbing, and I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna blend with the sponge again. For my baking, I use Sacha Buttercup, the holy grail. Been using it forever and I will never let it go. It's really good. First I start by patting it in, and then I put extra on top so it'll be easier to set. For my contouring, I use the Jordana contour stick. I'm gonna blend it out with a sponge. Again, everything I use more sponges than I do brushes, y'all. I'm gonna set that contour with my e.l.f. duo bronzing duo, and I'm gonna use a smaller brush and put that same thing on my nose, bridge, and go into my eyebrow area. Just want to look snatched in that area. Bring all the definition back into my face that I just blacked out with the foundation. And yeah, I'm gonna go in and like add more Sacha Buttercup to the nose bridge, clean up anything that I messed up. I'm gonna put on these lashes. Love these lashes. They were so beautiful. I also did some like inner eye corner detail with like an eyeliner off camera. And I put some on my waterline as well. Here it's time for us to like brush up all that Sacha Buttercup, all the accents. I really go crazy, y'all. I don't show y'all, but I go crazy. Like I spent time making sure I brush all that out. For blush, I'm putting on 2 types of blush on my cheeks. So I'm using Maybelline, and I'm also using an Avon blush on top of it. You guys didn't get to see my lips, but I do the same lips. I'm gonna try to do a video on Instagram on how to do lips. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go back into like body scent. I'm gonna be using a perfume by Zara, and then I have this gift. It's a Valentino perfume. Here it's like a clip of me putting it on and looking sexy while doing so. You know. All right, y'all. That is the end, and this is how I look. I got the top from Pretty Little Thing. The skirt is from Necessary Clothing or Mystique, one of the two. The boots are from Steve Madden. Yes. And that's the look, guys. I'm so glad you guys stuck around and watched the whole video. If you stuck around to the end of the video, I want you to comment, I love you, Eve. I'm just like, yes, I want you to comment that I love you, Eve. But this is the look, y'all. Thank you very much for watching.
Hey, you know how sticky it get. Hey, she want me to play with that cat. Hey, she love how I make it on wet. Hey, you know how sticky it get. Hey, yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And free big slime out the cage. And Shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed, cause every song that I made